Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's just talk about how can we create Instagram post inside Canva. Let's get right into it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. I've just logged into my account inside Canva and search for the Instagram, and I'll just add additional Instagram post. Right? I'm just getting free templates. And this time I'll just click on this free template, and I'm just right here. Wait an hour, right? Okay, let me just zoom it a bit like this, so I just see each and everything. Right, same like in the previous video. What I did nothing. Just I double click on the text and adding each and everything according to you, and you can just put your logo over here, your name, and then you can just add each and everything from your own side. And I think it's not really a critical task for you how to add things, like select the text and add something like this, double click, select the text, and here you can just write down your company name, your contact number, and I think it's enough. Okay, again click and share, drop it down, download, and that's all. Thanks for watching.